keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with a remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students!
A warm welcome to the student of Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Standard 2, Subject English Text, Topic 2.4 Story Time. Unity is Strength. Hello, dear students. You all know something that we should always be united. Why? Why teacher is telling this? Suddenly united and all that? Because unity is very important for any team or group children. Only when we are united, we can enjoy the taste of success. We should be united so that enemies or negative people do not influence us. Unity is the essence of a group's happiness. We should always remember unity is strength. Yes, today I am going to tell you the story about unity is strength. It is a story of an old man who had four sons. But the sons were very lazy and old man wanted to teach them a lesson of life, that is importance of unity. So children, let's see what happened. An old man lived with his four sons in a village. The old man was worried. His sons were always quarreling with each other. They would never agree on any point. The old man had tried telling them many times to avoid fighting, but his sons would not listen to him. They would fight for everything. One day, he called his four sons. He gave them a small bundle of sticks and asked them to break the bundle into two. It's so easy, said the eldest son. He took the bundle and tried to break it. He was surprised that the sticks in the bundle remained unbroken. He used more force. He tried again and again, but the bundle of sticks did not break. He gave up. Then his brothers tried to break the bundle of sticks. They tried hard, but they too could not succeed. Their father smiled and asked them to untie the bundle. Now the sticks were separated. He gave each brother a single stick and asked them to break it. Each of the sons took a stick in hand. In no time, the sticks were bent and broken. A single stick is easily broken. If four sticks come together, it is impossible to break them. If you are united, help each other and live in friendship, you will be stronger than any enemy. But if you are divided among yourself and keep fighting, you will be as weak as this single stick in that bundle. Remember, united we stand, divided we fall, said the old man, giving his sons a meaningful look. This time, the brothers learnt a lesson. They stopped fighting with each other. They started to work together as a team, and that really helped them. So, children, tell me what we learned today from this story. Yes, united we stand and divided we fall. We should always be together. Now let's see the new words with their meaning. First, quarreling, having small fights. Next, united, to be together. Third, separated, to keep apart or divide. Now let's start with exercise. Find smaller words hidden in the following words. Now, children, words are given. We have to find out small words which are hidden in this. It is also known as kangaroo words. Everything. Smaller words are every, thin, very, and thing. Next, friendship. Friend, ship, and. Next, together. To, get, the. Very good, children. So, children, hope you all enjoyed learning today. So, keep learning every day. Keep smiling every day. Thank you.